Right now, the cube just falls infinitely. And it would be good to restart the game when it just exits that zone here. And as you remember, we did that in the trigger control script in here. In this event, we will restart the game. And that means reloading this scene here. Unity has scenes, and you can think of scenes as different levels of a game. Let's create, another scene, empty scene here. And if you double click on it, you will see an empty game scene here. All right, let's delete that. Don't save. All right. Now we're going to use the scene management library to reload this scene, and in the on trigger exit event, we are going to call SceneManager load scene. And this function takes either the name of the scene, in this case simple scene, or the build index of that scene. And you can get that by SceneManager get active scene, and this is a build index. This gets, and you can see the build index of a scene through the build settings, and in here, scenes in build. These values are the build index of that scene. Make sure to add your newly created scenes to this build when you created them. Let me show you what I meant. Let's create an empty scene, and when you first open it, you'll see it won't be added to the scenes in build. You're going to click this add open scenes, and as you see, you added that scene. All right, let's remove this, and let's remove this also. We don't need that. We don't need to save. All right, sample scene. So right now, let's save this script file. Let's hit play. By the way, this color, this red color, indicates that we are in play mode, and you can change this however you like by open edit preferences, and you will see in colors section there's a play mode tint here. And if you change this, let's say green, we'll take the color as a play mode. And this helps that to let you know that you are in play mode, and anything you change on your project will be deleted, will be discarded when you exit the play mode. Let me show you what I meant. Let's delete this platform. For example, when you're in a play mode, you decide that you don't need this platform, and you make a lot of changes like that, and just when you exit the play mode, you will see all of your changes will be discarded. And for that, this color is a very good solution. To be careful. All right, so let me show you what changed. So right now, when we fall, the game will reload itself, and we achieved this with scene management library from the Unity engine.